Is LinkedIn down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with LinkedIn right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. As you can see here, I've got some screenshots from people who have problems with LinkedIn right now. I have one who says something went wrong. We're having issues loading your invites. So there are problems with the invites and also with the connection. This profile is not available. Well, if you try to go on Twitter and then if you search LinkedIn down, well, you will see some comments from people who also have problems with it. There are a lot of messages. People are commenting non-stop. So as you can see here, you are not the only one who has problems with LinkedIn right now. So you don't have to worry about it because they will fix this as soon as possible. You can try to restart your device, but mainly you just have to wait until they fix it. So if you do have issues with LinkedIn right now, you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your problems, if it's still down, if it's working, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. And you can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic and turn on the notification bell because I will post another update soon. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.